镜头来去印度，印度最高法院伫17日时作出裁定，拒绝予同性婚姻合法化。最高法院首席的大法官是表示，定法律这是各国的工课，这是各国的职务。若裁定出来了后，未少 LGBTQ 的族群拢感觉真失望。
最高法院裁定出来，同婚支持者是真失望，因为印度最高法院17针对同性婚姻合法作出裁定。印度首席大法官指出，合议庭对爱管制到什么程度方面有一定的共识，甲无共款的意见。最后5位大法官以3比2决绝裁定同婚合法。
Part of me definitely feels let down, and because there was this tiny hope inside of me, which was like, oh, you know what, maybe the CJI would, because he was in favor of LGBT, he understood the LGBT issues, he wanted the right to marry for us.
印度最高法院收到21份请愿书了后，今年4到5月开真一场听证会，审理同婚合法的提案。请愿者认为，即卖婚姻法剥夺同性结婚的权益。不过，印度政府强调，婚姻只存在伫生理男性甲生理女性之间。主张同性婚姻合法，只代表都市精英的理念，甲宗教价值是相违背，宗教团体也反对。
There were some opportunities today, I believe, that have been pushed off to the legislatures, and the central government has made their stand clear with regard to marriage. We hope that their committee will ensure that civil unions are recognized.
为5位大法官总共写4份判决书，就因看出对这议题意见无同。请愿者虽然失望，不过也表示会继续推动运动，希望早日促成同性婚姻合法。公视新闻陈伟仁报道。